how to download iTunes on laptop or PC. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install iTunes on your laptop or PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Microsoft Store, then click to open it. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top and type iTunes. Now, you should see iTunes appear in the search results. Click on it to open the app page. Next, press the install button on the left. iTunes will now start downloading and installing on your computer. Wait a few moments for the process to complete. Once it's done, you can either press open directly from the store or you can search for iTunes again from the search bar at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. iTunes is now installed and ready to use on your device. If this video helped you out, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. That's all for the video.